Ingeta. Kimbo kimbo na tatanzambi ya mazulu kimfumu kwa kuisa. Benabeto, Betwabo. Finally, we're gonna receive everything that we want, like Papa Tatanzambi has promised. Everything is working very well, like it always, like it should be. Of course, we're losing people. Of course, many weird things are happening. Also, this Corona hoax, but the Most High is strong. Now, sometimes we have to prove things. You know, it's like also the Most High. Many people think that the Most High just watch that what is outside. They do not believe that in the power of the Most High. It's like they think that the Most High judge and just see what is outside. They think, people think the Most High does not know what is inside of them. This is why people have to do more researches and people has to go deeper. It is like if I see something on Amazon, I see a nice photo, you know, after buying this product, and you know, after 1 or 2 days, it was like I would be like, it is just like everything else. I could also buy it cheaper. It will have the same effort. It will do the same thing. Now, in history, we have started with the history of the book, which means the Bible. We are the people of the book, which means that they are our forefathers. Some of them wrote and some not. The white people took the stories, yeah, from generation to generation and put these things together. I used to tell you, really read the book of Maccabees. The Antipas that came. You see Alexander the Greek. Then you see the Romans coming. And even then you see with Hannibal, and you're gonna meet the stories in the Congo and all this. You're gonna see how people has pushed Christianity. How people has pushed Christianity to us. Even if you go today to the villages, the elders gonna tell you about this spectacle. So Christianity is so deep in us that you have Mormon churches, you have Jehovah Witness, you have the Catholic, you have you know, I don't know, so many different kinds of churches. And to this you have also churches like Islam, so religion like Islam, Buddhism, Hinduism, you know. And it was hard for us to find out what is ours. Is this the right way that I go? Where does this truth come from? Can I find this truth in the scripture? Is this from my forefathers? Can I identify myself with that, what this Bantu or these people are saying? I used to know someone, Chiba Malonga. He has sacrificed himself for this truth for years. And you can see our problem was always like Chiba, or my problem. Our channels always shut down. I had 2 Bantu channels shut down, like Bantu, like I have now my Bantu African. I had Bantu Israelites. the domain. You can't get it because I had it before and they took it and they closed it. So that, it was a real fight, because even then in this time I wanted to prove to some of our brethren in America that the Bantus are the people of the book. Because I know how the world works. The world works in lies, which means that a lie will be always pushed. A truth, yeah, always hidden. Which means that it was like a spirit or something that always did not want certain truth to come out or to come in front of people. That's why some people hacked, some people came across YouTube and said, hey, spam, 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 and started to do different kinds of things so that our channels broke. But if you see me, I'm 33 now. Hey, it was, in the age of 20 something, starting my channel, starting the work that I do today, getting the visions of Beulah, getting the visions of going to all the corners there in Africa, talking to elders, churches, getting the visions, doing things in Europe, in all over Europe, also for the channels on Facebook and etc. Then you have to know that we have sacrificed a lot for for a truth that we used to believe on. And on all this time that we used to sacrifice for this truth, we didn't know something like, how can I explain? We didn't know something like, hey, I used to have the gift that I have not from today. We didn't know something like help from others. We did all this work through our heart. We did all this work, with full power, Still today, if you go to the Nabi, that's why he called himself Nabi. Many people do think like if someone does not call himself Nabi, that he is a Nabi. No, you call yourself a Nabi so that the people know that you are a Nabi. Okay? So if you're not a Nabi, you cannot call yourself a Nabi. If someone is called pastor, he identifying himself as a pastor. If someone calls himself a Nabi, because he's identifying himself as a Nabi. So there was two Nabis in the Bantu truth for years. But this is not the story here. The thing is that we want to go deeper. Me, I'm not someone that looked at my back or that is happening on the right or on the left. But we want to go deeper to the truth, because this is the way how Nzambi is showing me. Like today, before I come to the main message from today, because it is a happy message. It is a happy message today. It's not against anyone or for some reasons. No, it's a happy message. But before we go into it, we go into the facts. Everyone has a calling. Everyone has a calling. Even a bird is glorifying Tata Nzambi, and he's doing his works. Even a baby, if he's born, if he come alive, he knows how to give Kimbo to the Most High. We have to respect that. This is how the cosmos works. Like today, I had made it a movie about Congo, Congo, Very special name. Even Chiba Malonga talks about the Bakongo. He also say that the man that people used to call Jesus, we call him Isaiah Congo, he say he was a Bakongo. We preach the Congo truth, but there is only one tribe of people in the Congo truth. They call themselves Ba-Congo. Ba-Congo. This sounds like tribalism, but this truth will go now. We are going now to the inside of the tabernacle. We are going now deeper. There, where you're gonna see that it is limited from Nzambi who can preach what, and what becomes Christianity, or what becomes business, or what becomes own interests. Because there is a limit. There was always a limit. That's why he called Melchizedek. That's why he called I am the Muntu from Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. There is a limit. Yeah. And you know, there people gonna see the manifestation of the truth. If we go now deeper. Now the thing is that everyone is searching for his origins. Everyone is searching for the truth. Like even people from Angola, people from Mozambique, Namibia, they used to ask, where do we really come from? Even if they are already in the promised land, there are certain histories what no one teaches them, because they used to know more about European history. They used to know more about the history that came after slavery than the true history from them before slavery. You know, me, the most of the things that I preach, my knowledge, I have to say, my now from the in the human perspective, comes from the Most High, which means that I am a spiritual person. So I will always say things in a spiritual way. So many people won't get it. It's like, you know, I did not, I study, but I did not study some, you know, I do not want some things to spell to people to sound nice, you know. I do not spell some words that I do not want to, you know. I, you know, I am a spiritual person. I used to say things in the spiritual way. And the most of the people won't get it if they are if they are not spiritual, or if they are spiritual limited. So that's why the good knowledge message is that we're gonna use an elder. This elder, he will give us the story of the universe that I know in the spiritual way, that I have not that I did not come with now. We're gonna see now what is not in the Bible, what is taken out from the Bible, and what is included to the Bible, which means that we're gonna open now the true story that was hidden from us. And you know, the elder will, of course, everyone has his spirit. You know, if you cannot say to someone he's not spiritual. Everyone has a spiritual level, you know. But the elder will come from a historian perspective. He will come from the historian perspective, and he gonna show us really the story according to our forefathers. Yeah, what really happened, where we come from, where Adam, or if Adam, you know, the 12 sons, you know, why all the tribes, the importance of the Congo, the Bena Congo, especially the Ba Congo. Especially you can go to Bantu Africans. You type the book, the Hebrew Israelites of the Bible. The Hebrews are the Hebrew Israelites of the Bible, you go everywhere. Even the our brother Chiba, everyone that is spiritual knows about the Bakongo. And today, and yesterday, I have talked a little bit about the war and the Bakongo. Then directly you saw someone, I do not know, Mbengi or Mbengi, Mengi, something like that. I used to see him first all my lives as well, talking about something about Luba tribe, and you know, me, I'm not against anyone. No? I'm not against any tribe. I'm not a tribalist, and I will come to that soon to prove that in the easiest way. But in this world, yeah, in this world, we have to stay in the truth. And I am someone that I used to expose the lies. I'm here to expose the lies, not so that someone will have some problems. No, but in a good way, so that also no one get any problem. But I used to expose the lies. That man, Bingy, was like, ooh, the story what you said, I do not like it because I have mentioned the Bakongo. That's why he didn't like it. He said, ooh, go to my brother Jonathan's page. And he was like, if you go there, you're going to see the true Congo story. What a hoax. You see the Congo story, what is happening there in the east of Congo now. Okay? We're going to learn the Congo story from the beginning, from the beginning of creation, still now. Because the Congo story is continuing. It still exists. It does not end with Kimbangu. It does not end with Kimpavita. It does not end with Simon Toko. Okay? And it will not end with me. But the chosen people from Nzambi to lead our people and generation was always the Ba Congo. That's why you do not see that anyone have the name of Congo in their tribes. You can go with this video and show it in front of every Nabi that comes from Congo. He will say, yes, they are the one that have the key. It was always like this. Kimbangu was a Bakongo. He is born in Angola. Kimpavita was a Bakongo. Zingambandi, Zinganguvu, yeah, Andre Matswa. Who was not a Bakongo? Who? And we will go even deeper to the people in the scriptures to show how who they are. That's why they call us Mwana Umuntu, the Son of Man. Isaiah that you see, you will see and understand exactly from a not biblical perspective, yeah, the story of your forefathers. I never have put the other tribes down or something like that. But what we know, yeah, we, Bakongo, that there was always difficulties, yeah, with the tribes that are not chosen for certain purposes. And you know, people can start good, and later everything will be destroyed. So that's why this elder is hard. He speaks English, comes from the UK. He's invited by life, not life like this. We're gonna go. Everyone can ask him. Everyone will see what he's saying. And if he start talking, you see that, this is our history. You will directly check it. He going to expose Christianity. He going to expose the tribes. He going to tell you the secrets of some things of the Bible, some things about the Congo people. Even the man, Simeon Toko, he said, Simeon Toko, I can bring the book here. I can translate. I can show it to you. I can say it, I can show it to you vis-a-vis. Hmm? Simon Toko has said, North Angola, Ba Congo, Ba Congo. Hmm? If they do not rule in Congo Kinshasa, if they do not rule in Congo Brazzaville, if they do not call it a rule in Angola, no peace. But why is the Most High always using the Ba Congo? This is the first question that we have to ask ourselves. If I'm not right, why Chiba Malonga talks about the Ba Congo? Why the Most High always all these leaders in the churches in Congo, in Brazzaville, in the Angola, yeah, the biggest leaders are Ba Congos. Why? You're gonna find out soon. That's why if you see something in the Amazon, it is this car, it is this car, it has so and so much PS, it is so and so far, it is so and so good. After buying it, you're gonna see, oh man, this car it isn't so good. This is better, and this is, it's about, the hidden truth must come out, and not in the way to mock, but in the way to understand the history, how it is really is. It is good for our children. It is good for the people from the diaspora. It is good for me myself, because I also gonna learn. No, because the most of the things I say it in the Mwandan Semi. So it is good to learn the story, how the wars happened, when the wars happened, the different kinds of the tribes, our housings, how Christianity infiltrated us, and certain things he won't know. I can't say that he knows everything. Certain things he won't know, because um you know many things are, you need to have a spiritual level, and that's why spirituality is even almost better than that what people knows, because spirituality is, people will never understand spirituality, because it comes from the Most High, and this only can come the real messenger from a real messenger. If you want to know the spirituality that is higher, can only come from a Nabi. It was in Ezekiel, it said Nabis have to preach, so people, the Most High speaks through his Nabis in Ezekiel, in the book of Ezekiel. So there was another spectacle. This was the good message. There was another spectacle happen after preaching the gospel, the teaching about that the Bakongo do not fight, because they are the one that used to keep the laws. The Bakongo are the one that used to keep the laws, not like the other tribes. And we will prove it. What happened? There was a woman, I don't know her name, but she used to be a follower for me. I think now she's going to 2 years or something. She was, since the beginning, she was here on my channel. Coco or Kolari or something like that. And since the beginning, this woman asked me, did you not sold us? Did you not sold us? You people sold us. You people sold us. And I was like, what? I explained it in the scriptures. If you go to Deuteronomy 28 and 68, it is called and said, there you will be sold. There you will be sold. And if you go to the book of Hosea, you are sold because of lack of knowledge. You are sold because of lack of knowledge. And in some other books, it said you're sold yourself in the scriptures. And she's like, tell me the tribe. And she was really, she even wrote me on my Gmail account. Tell me who sold us into slavery. Often, like, tell me now, tell me now. A woman, eh? Because her son is a great basketball player or something like that. I don't know. I don't care. It's good for her. It's a blessing. Came to the Most High that He loves her and gave her a good son. But I hope that this son do not follow the behavior of the mother, because this mother is a Gentile. This mother is not normal, because after all these years, she is against the Bantu, but used to follow the Bantu. And I was shocked, because I always used to tell her, leave my page. Leave my page. Or leave this truth. Leave all this and follow something else. It's better. There's so many preachers, yeah, they used only to address African American. Go to them. Maybe you will find peace over there. You see? Because I told her, in the Ezekiel 6 and 8, a remnant will stay. The Nzambi said to Dawidi, your kingdom will be forever, an everlasting sign. Forever. A kingdom. Which does not mean housings and gold. Which means he gave the key. There is a power, a kingdom that is invisible in a certain area, and it has to stay there. And this is where the slaves came from. This means the Jews, they back Congo. They went. That's why, yeah, the Chiba Malongo is talking about Jesus Jew, yeah, Jesus Bakongo, yeah, like Isaiah Congo Bakongo, yeah. You can see it. Look at this movie. This Nabi, he said it very clear. Who the Jews are? Was Isaiah from the tribe of Judah? Yes. So here you saw the tribe of Judah. So my people that are scattered, like it was in the time of Ezekiel, like it was in the time of Jeremiah, like it was in the time of Massa, you can go to Romans 9. That Nzambi sended the prophets and tell to them, come back to me. Come back to the truth. Come back to the truth. Come back to the truth. He have sent big old nabis to do certain things for these people. No one have listened. If you go to Matthew, you start from Matthew 5, how this man called Isaiah was talking. Do you know who I am? Who I am? No one. If I go, I can make the film here. You can bring me all the pastors. You can bring me all the nabis that you know. Bring me them here. You can bring me all the IOC member. And I'm going to start, who is Isaiah? People going to cry. No one knows. You see? So crazy is this world. So we are living in with people that used to spread out half truths and making money with it. It is okay if you know a little and you teach a little but it is hard that people, for me, it is hard if I see how people love the lies, how people love the soft core. You see, they love the nice things. This is what people used to love and follow. No prophet had a chance to convert the children of Israel like it is today. Do you think that the people in America know the truth? Do you think that the people in Africa, like they are today, now there, they will accept the full truth? Or will they stay with Jay-Z? Or will they stay with this half truth that Jerusalem is in the Middle East, that they are no one, that they are Esau, that, this is a real crazy world. You go to the islands there, in Mexico, in the Suriname, in the Barbados, in the here, all the Latinos. Hey, what do they know about this? What do they know about this? What we are talking about here. Go to the Brazil. If someone knows anything, really, you can go to all Brazil, and for the percentage, I won't lie, 99% won't know about those truth. Not even a little. That's why you see the white Jesus is standing there like the savior of Brazil. You see? And who will bring us out of this? She was like, no, it is only Judah that went into slavery. This is what this woman said. It is only Judah that went into slavery. Hamites went into slavery. Hamites. Many Hamites that sold us went into slavery. These are the Hamites today that goes to America, to Europe, to all around the world to mix up with people. These are the Hamites. How many people from Southern Africa leave Southern Africa? How many people from Namibia leave Namibia? How many people from the Angola leave Angola? Huh? Is it not the East Africa? Is it not the western part of Africa? Is it not the central part of Africa that leave Africa? Huh? Danger is here. This here is the danger zone. You see? So people are mixed up till the ground and telling me, me, that I can prove it in the easiest way that no, you are not an Israelite. No, we here, no, you have sold us. And that's why the Nzambi was so smart. He is not about, this and this tribe will take my people home. This and this tribe will tell the truth. Go to the whole Bible. That salvation will come from who? From the Jews. To the whole Bible. You know, Jews means by Yahudi. There is a power, yeah, there is a power, yeah, that will manifest himself and people will recognize that the Nzambi has not given everyone the same place and same characteristic and the same power, you know, and the same mission. So even if this woman that said that, oh, African have sold her, you know, she said, why do you call me a Gentile? And I was like, you are. I say, you are. And she was like, no, I am black. And this is the problem here. So because you are black, this means that you are a Jew. If you go to the same chapter, Romans 9, yeah, it is well explained. Go to Romans 8, Romans 9, Romans 10, 11. It is well explained how Nzambi is making differences between, yeah, spiritual people and carnal people. How he's making differences between chosen people and non-chosen people. How he's describing people that are chosen, that have the star of Ava, that are chosen from him to be his people. So how can I preach about one people, you know, if I know that in this people, people have to repent, but really repent, really come down. I am very well connected to the Mwanda. Very well. People sometimes think, I do not know them. If they do certain things, I know you, my friend. You know? I know you even better than you know yourself. So, how can people, you know, like me, talking about just one people, go to this Romans 9, read it. He say, not everyone that is from Abraham is from Yah. Not everyone that is from Isaac is from Yah. So he's taking out nations. And then, not everyone should be an Israelite, it's children of Israel. Then he's calling the conditions. Because my servants have called them for years, and they never have heard their voices. So, and this won't change at all. For me, all the Nabis that are outside there are damn liars. Okay? This is a fact. Because they are looking at color, but not in the spirit that it is inside of man. And this makes them, normal teachers, or some betrayers, or some liars that want to make some businesses or anything else. And this is the problem here. I was watching, I know that they do, because they're like, you are black, you're my guy. Hey man, now you're woken up, man. You're Israelite, man. we are 400 years, man. You won't come to me, brother. Go to Congo. Go to I don't know, to Ghana. Many places. You can also go to Angola, but you won't come to the north. I promise you. The north is closed for you. Okay? Because this is not how Nzambi works. Maybe you have to find another God, another power, but not the power, that has shown himself that he's the power from the gates to the heaven. He do not work like this. If you continue the verses, he has said, I was sending my son, I was sending sons and teachers to you. You did not listen to me. So now I have to look for other sons. So a Gentile, a white man, a Chinese can be for the Nzambi more valuable, better than his own people that he has created in his own image. Because you have sisters like this sister there. You have soldiers. You have soldiers. Repent. Repent. Calm down, sister. You are killing yourself there. Our people killing themselves in the Angola. Our people killing themselves in the Mexico, in the China, and everywhere. Even if we know already who our enemy is, we do not kill the enemy. We are fighting each other. So, if you want to see an enemy, start in a family. You're going to see your uncles, you're against them, you have no friendship with them. You're going to see everywhere problems. You do not even have to go out to find some problems with other nations. So repair the problems in you, and you're going to see, and you're going to find a lot. Who's your enemy? Starts in your house. Cain and Abel, they were brothers. Same color. What happened? What happened to Esau and Jacob? What happened to Isaac and Ishmael? Brothers. We are not the same. That what we do is different. The one saw by the other one and saw, wow, this makes sense. I will try to do it. The other one is choosing to lead and say, I have to try, and till the end I have to do. People anyway, one day they will wake up. The other one is just watching. In the last minute, it can be that the Most High will lift him up and he's going to understand certain things and he will follow. And there are some others that will never understand. Deceivers. So this, for me, this woman is talking so much bad things about the Bantus. So her home is America. Stay better there. It's better for you to stay there. This behavior, can't get it. No? And that's why, it is important to do. Not only to talk, but to do. To go and to start means not to come. Starting something means not to reach and come. Sometimes we used to watch people doing and just looking how these things will go. Because, how can I explain? There was a time people that used to follow in the New Testament. I'm going on to the New Testament, no? Because I do not like to talk too much about the New Testament, but I'm going to the New Testament. People used to follow Isaiah. And, you know, this is in the Act, in the book of Act. So people says that, you know, some people, they used to follow Isaiah, and the priest, these priests, these pastors, yeah, Sadducea and all them, yeah, they started to say these people used to follow, you know, something that is wrong. And there came one, they wanted to kill them, like always. And one priest was there and said, if the things that they are saying is wrong, they will be like destroyed. They will destroy themselves. It's like, you know, everyone will go to his way one day. Everything what they have created, the wind will take it away and nothing will left. But if the thing what they are doing is right, yeah, then it comes from the Most High. So that's why we are not here to judge. Everyone has to do according to that what he have become from the Most High. This is how it works. But these times where we go will show us a lot of things. There is nothing new under the sun. And that's why it is important to learn the main languages from the Congo. We're going to teach Lingala, Kikongo. We're going to teach Kikongo. And, you know, we're going to learn now the real history of the Congo and the tribes, just to make it clear. Just to make it clear what is really happening there. Like I've said, a brother came up to the Jot M Mengi or something, like 2 or 3 times now. Go to Brother Jonathan, go to Brother Jonathan, go to Brother Jonathan. Brother Jonathan used to talk about Congo. He knows about Congo. The problem is, we are a new generation. The most of the things that I say is in spirit. That's why I know many things that passed like crazy, like no one knows, because it's revealed. But there are some people, they will tell you exactly what happened, and this man will come, and he will not hide anything. People will be shocked. People will sing, and people will be not only shocked, people will also give glory to the Most High. The real story of the Bena Beto is about to come. You know? Why? Why does this story have to come? I am the man of truth. Truth. It is always hard to lie for me. Hard. Even if someone asks me something, it's like, I tell him. I do not build anything for me. One people will understand these kinds of things later. The truth that we are carrying is not from me. It is from the Most High. And if, like Simon Toko have said, if the Ba Congo do not get their position to teach the world the secret of the Mwanda, so that the world becomes the Mwanda, so the world understands how to rebuild Jerusalem, so that the world comes back home, so that the world goes to politics, so that the world I can go further, further, further. No one will do that. And I have understood why Simon Toko was saying that. Everyone will always have advantage about our people. Because it was always like this. I used to tell you the story of Angola. People from far came to teach us Christianity in Angola. Angolan people are humble. You will not see any Angolan people like, people from Zaire. Really. Not like people from Nigeria. They are wild. Ooh, love women's here, there, there. No, it is like it is. If the shop would be open, I would bring here people, every single one from Nigeria. I can bring everyone of Cameroon, everyone from Cote d'Ivoire, and ask them about the tribes in Africa. They will tell you. They will tell you how people are. That's why I cannot lift up and I cannot put people down. Everyone for me is equal. It's about the heart. It's about yourself and what the Most High knows about you. Because there's a secret in you that you can't hide in front of the Most High. So, why did Simon Toko say those things? Like, if the Bakongo do not do or do not say to the secret or do not open the secrets. Today we have everyone want to be a pastor. Everyone want to become rich. Everyone, wants to build for himself. Everyone wants to, to copy or to do, to do certain things and to show off, and all this has no place by the Levites, by Benyamunu, or any other from the Jews. They are not like this because they have a calling to teach the world the truth. Go to the scriptures and find out what Nzambi have said to them. You have to teach the world the truth. That's why no way, if someone stands up and show me one tribe from the others, a prophet that came out of them, I will stand up from my seat now. Not one. Okay? Because we carry the truth. Even if some of us are loud or some of us are not so loud, humble, you're going to hear that there is a wisdom or there is something that people have to understand to continue, their going, their work. This is why today IUIC and IUCPK can't go further, can't advance, because they do not want to learn that truth here. They're like, no, we have our own. We will wait till the spaceship come and bring us onto the Middle East. And this is wrong. We have to honor and give glory and to lift up the people that Most High have put us there to showing us certain things and to do for us the work according to His will. That's why, not to mock, not to do anything to someone, not to say certain things that is bad against someone, but to show the truth from the truths to our people in the diaspora and all over the world. Because I myself, I have to come home. Elders, Mwanda, they will look at you like this. They know where you come from. They know who you are. They know here and there is your place. Everyone from that what we are doing have a home already. Now where he is, he have a home already. The only thing what you have to do is to have patience, and to do that what the Most High want from you. A home already, because in my Father's house are many houses. This is the promise that the Most High has given his children. And if he's talking about his children, he's talking about the remnant. You know? And the whole world will remember, yeah, one day the things that is spoken. Because this is so pure. I have a group of Bakongo. Ask, they will tell you. This has nothing to do with tribalism here. But everywhere, even today, if you go to Southern Africa, if you go to Namibia, if you go to Cameroon, you know, you see this people that used to Fali Pupa, Papa Wemba, Kofi Olomide, some stars in the Congo. Or some stars in the Nigeria. Why do you have these two, Nigeria and Congo? Why do you have those two that are so, you know, so strong with music, strong with prayers, preaching, you know, strong with Christianity, strong with witchcraft? Yeah, this comes also strong with witchcraft. Why? There are so many tribes, they're humble in Africa. But those two tribes, those two those two lands there are big, big problems for the African country, mostly. That's why you saw this xenophobia. The people from South Africa started to fight people from Nigeria. How many Congolese men was killed in the Southern Africa? If people from Southern Africa here, they will tell you. How many? Because they go to the bars, starting to dancing with their ndombolo, to catching some people's women's. My own friends. Me, I had 7 years before, you know, there in the time I was studying. 7 years I had a girlfriend. You left your girlfriend there. Your own friends, yeah, from the Congo. They are watching your friend, your girlfriend. They want to eat her off. And I was like, hey, you guys are my friends. And some other things I cannot even say here. This kind of behaviors, not every tribe has these kinds of behaviors, brothers and sisters. I can open now here the shop. You're gonna see people who gonna say, yes, we know, yeah, Yoruba are like this. Well, Igbo, this are like this. These people are like this. We know each other. We know each other. So I cannot preach something that is wrong. It is about your heart. It is about your spirit. It is about unity, but in truth and in spirit. It's not about a fight, or it is not a fight. It is not me against you, because we have to come together anyway. But sometimes people has to come down, you know, and, you know, not to bring too much Christianity or other doctrines, lies, because we have eat so much lies. We are full of lies. We do not want it no more. We are sick of lies. Sick of lies. Too much lies. It is like I give you my children, yeah, and you starting to rape them, man. You know, if I'm going, you know, this is it. This is what is happening here. Our own people you can't trust for years. You know, and this is a problem. This is a problem. Where you can see that, my last words. I gonna go to Angola, because I used to talk about Angola. If I said Angolan people, this man will explain it very well. They had war. They went out from Angola because the Kingdom of Congo, yeah, the Kingdom of Congo was Congo Zaire, Congo Angola, and Congo Brazzaville, and Congo Gabon. So all this area. And the rest, there was no kingdom of Congo there. Today they call it Congo because the Muzungu came and called all this area Congo. They had nothing to do. That's why we are the Ba Congo. If we talk about Congo, we have to be very careful here. Now, why did Tata Nzambi make these differences? Why? It is because he wanted to show the world something. That's why you could see the Pope, he came so often to Mbanza Congo. Mbanza Congo is le berce de la humanité. Brothers, you gonna drink. I think some people are gonna start drinking alcohol after this elder come here. I tell you, he's gonna gonna crash the Bible easily. You know, I never come with this truth. We have to follow the laws of the Most High. You cannot come with the full truth. Bam! You're gonna kill people. You're gonna kill generations. If one fall, everyone will go. So, the thing that I will tell you is the secrets that will come. Take it not to attack you, but take it like, thank you, Tata Nzambi, I am humbled. We saw people from other tribes that are humble to this truth. We saw people that are dispersed, people that are everywhere, they are humble to this truth. But if you stick now and say you are already there, because you received the part of this truth, and you have now understood about this truth, then I think this is the wrong channel. But if you want to go with me, I am Mikhael. If you want to go with me over the desert so that we can enter the promised land, you can stay. You are very highly welcome. Because it will be hard now. Everything will go so fast that we have to start changing the world. You know? And it will start, it will be like that Nzambi will call you like, hey, pack your things, come over. You know, then it is like, oh, you left your job, you left your car, you just take your children's, we go, and you have to left. People gonna go to shopping and be like, where is my car? I can't go. You have to go. It is about time to go and you have to leave. And then all of you will find me somewhere. I will be there, waiting. And the most of the people that hated me because of, I don't know why, they will see me there. They will come from the west, Yosafat. They will come from the east, yeah, Kamata, yeah. They will come from there, yeah. They will see me where I am. They will find me there with an army of people. They will see me there. It is already there. It's because the Most High has his secrets. And true secrets. If I say true secrets, we're talking about true secrets. Because it's from him. In the next 2 years, everyone will see that everything that is coming out today, it wasn't against no one, because this is, you know, the message is unique, but it was to make sure that now we want to enter the desert where we are now already, but we want to enter the desert a little bit deeper to see now certain things, because we want to see the promised land. I do not want to see someone running away. I want also the people from the camps to come and to start learning these kinds of things. Because if you want to become bigger, you can't run away from this truth. This is our story. And this man gonna show it to us. This is our story. He gonna explain you how we came there from Zimbabwe. This is the Exodus. He gonna start with the Exodus. He gonna start with Abraham. He gonna start with the man Adam, if he was really Adam. He gonna start these things. He gonna show. And because I'm there, maybe I will put some salt in it to show some more, to open some. You're highly welcome to this awakening. So now, let me go to the commands and close this. We're gonna start on Saturday. Next tabernacle is next Saturday. Next tabernacle. I hope people are doing their cleansing and prayers. I hope the people do. I have to make a special movie about the tabernacle as well. Now everyone is a healer. I thought it is a gift from the Most High, but now everyone is a healer. I thought you have to learn. I had to learn 4.5 years, about plants. Now today, everyone is a healer. You're gonna see him. You're gonna see who will bring to people to the Jerusalem. We're gonna see that. Okay? So easy is it. I'm out, brothers and sisters. I love you, really. And this, like I said, this is unique. We won't make a video like this no more. We're gonna teach like we have teach before. It was just for this woman, she have to understand she is a Muntu. She is a Bantu. She is a Bantu. She have to come home. And if the man or some others do not prepare the way for her home, she's gonna stay there and never she will see home. Even after her death, all the generations that will come after her through her blood will be cursed in this land of captive. Some people think the death will help them. Many people will kill themselves. And people like her must be humble. Who sold you? And this happened also for years. Come on. We have other problems. Let us concentrate ourselves. Let no one fool you. Zibula meso. Zibula meso. And, sometimes it's not better to know. It's not so good to know too much things. Just to wait and watch. Spoken to my mom today. She was like, directly, you will see my son. This was her words. You will see my son. She knows. We know. Everyone know. But sometimes, just watch. And look what will happen. Ingeta.